Hi everyone, this is a short video of how I've painted Tate Britain. I took this photo early in the morning when the sunshine was so strong you can clearly see the shadows. The scene was magnificent, so I've decided to paint it. In the first bit you will see how I just put the right colors very vaguely so I can establish the values. And here I'm starting to get the contrast done with a bit of detailing, but not really much. The aim here is to make sure that the viewer's imagination still plays a massive role. I'm not trying to do the details in the photographic quality. This is not necessary because your mind will tell you everything when you step back. As you can see, I'm doing the painting one bit at a time on different sittings, and I'm not really rushing to get it completed because the painting is actually quite large. Here I'm painting a tree, foliage of which is not present, not evident, and I'm actually carving the tree. I'm not really painting it. The shadows are applied as well. There's a bit of a close-ups of certain scenes within the painting where you can actually assume some of the features on the building. Your mind's telling you, oh, that's the shadows on the boat. The small white dots are actually seagulls when you can actually see now. And here's the complete painting. I hope you've enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.